Hello. So today in this video we learn some important topics of operating system. First, component of computer system. Okay. A computer system can be divided into four components: hardware, operating system, application program, and users. Okay. The uppermost layer is of users, then application software, then system software, and the lowermost layer is of hardware. Okay, so here hardware provides basic computing resources. It consists of central processing units, that is CPU, the memory, and the IO devices, that is input output devices. The application programs are different kinds of programmers in various languages to solve computing problems of users. These application programs utilize various resources to perform given tasks. For example, compilers, database systems, business programs, games, etc. The users of computer system try to solve different complex computing problems. The users can be people, machine, or other computers. And the operating system acts as an intermediary between computer user and the computer hardware. The operating system controls and coordinates the use of hardware resources among the various application program for the various users. The operating system is like an administrator. If it controls all the component of computer system, it provides the environment within which other program can perform useful tasks. Operating system is used to provide convenience for the users. Also, it is used to allocate resources efficiently. According to the use, we can view operating system in a different perception. In users view, operating system is to provide convenience, and in systems view, operating system is to provide efficiency. Okay, so these are some points. Detailed explanation about these four means use components of computer system, users, application software, system software, and hardware. These are the points. Detailed explanation. Then views of operating system. There are two views of operating system. First one is user view and second one is systems view. User view. Users of computer system use application programs to solve computing problems. Whenever user operates computer system, he or she thinks that he or she is a single user of computer system and user wants more convenient in the use of computer system. The operating system provides an environment within which an application program executes. So in user view, operating system must be designed to provide ease of use. User is more concerned about convenience and less about performance and resource utilization. Some operating system is designed to give feel of single user experience. Okay, maybe. Okay, maybe question. There will be a question on this views of operating system in the exam. So you have to write this whole or make summary of it and then write this user view and system view. Okay, first you start with this operating system is used to provide convenience, means this point, and then there are two views and all this, and you can make a summary on this. You can take notes of this also. Maybe question on this components, views, and the next topic we will discussing, maybe question on this will come in exam, means will be there in exam. Okay, so here we continue. When many users have different terminals connected to mainframe and mini computers share resources and may exchange data. In such a case, resource utilization is a major concern of operating system. The operating system should be designed to assure that all available resources like CPU, time, memory, and IO devices are used efficiently and fair chance is given to all the users. When users are working on workstations, they connected to networks of other workstations, and servers have dedicated resources to use also to use. Also, they can share networking and serve resources. Therefore, the operating system is designed to compromise between individual usability and resource utilization. Nowadays, many handheld units of individual are introduced. These devices are standalone units which can be connected to networks with wire or wireless modems. In such a case, the operating system is designed mostly for individual usability. In some computers, like embedded computers in home devices and automobiles, the operating system is designed to run without user intervention. Such computers have very little or no user view. We can view the operating system exist because they are supposed to make it either to compute, means execute application program with them than without them. This is the user's view. Okay, you can make summary of these points, or you can write this whole answer in exam if there will be question on it. System view, but may be asked from the system's points of view, the operating system is resource allocation to compute or solve complex problems. The computer system uses various resources like CPU time, memory, IO devices, that is input output devices, file storage space, etc. The operating system manages all these hardware resources efficiently. To satisfy conflicting requests for resources, the operating system must decide how to allocate them to specify program and users so that it can operate the computer system efficiently and fairly in multi-user system. The operating system is designed to maximize resource utilization to assure that all available resources are used efficiently and that no individual user takes more than her or his fair share. One more different view of an operating system emphasizes the need to control the various IO devices and use program. In this case, the operating system acts as a control program sorry, it is repeating. The operating system manages the execution of user program to prevent errors and improper use of computer. The operating system is more concerned with the operation and control of IO devices. Okay, so this is the system's view. Then the next important, very important point. There be 101% question in exam. Virtual machine. It is very important point. Virtual machine is an idea to abstract the hardware of single computer into several different execution environments with an illusion that each separate environment is running its own private computer. The virtual machine provides an interface that is ideally to the underlying hardware. Each process is provided with a virtual copy of computer. Full following figure shows non-virtual and virtual machine. Okay, this is the non-virtual machine. It includes processors, kernel, and hardware. And this is the virtual machine. It also includes processors, kernel, and there are virtual machine. Between kernel and hardware, there are virtual machine, three virtual machines: VM1, VM2, and VM3. Then virtual machine implementation is there, and this is the programming interfaces of both virtual machine and non-virtual machine. You can draw a diagram and you can take screenshot of it. By using virtual machines, user can run any of the operating system or any software available on machine. Okay. Then implementation of virtual machine. Implementation of virtual machine is difficult. Virtual machine is exact duplicate copy of the underlying machine system. It has two modes, user mode and kernel mode. Okay, you know, user mode and kernel mode we have discussed in microkernel in structure of operating system previous video. You can watch that video from this playlist, OS playlist. Okay, so virtual machine also, here also there are two modes, user mode and kernel mode. So virtual machine also must have two modes, but as virtual machine itself can execute in only user mode, we must have a virtual user mode and virtual kernel mode, both running in a physical user mode. These causes are transferred from user mode to kernel mode on real machine and transfer from virtual user mode to virtual kernel mode on virtual machine. Okay, listen carefully and watch carefully. These two statements are very confusing. Okay, this is accomplished as follows: when a system call is made by a program running on virtual machine in virtual user mode, it causes a transfer to virtual machine monitor in real machine. When control goes to a virtual machine, it changes the registry content and the program content of virtual machine. If it then restarts the virtual machine, which is now in virtual kernel mode. Okay, and the benefits of virtual machine. Okay, virtual machine concepts has several advantages. Each virtual machine is completely isolated from all other virtual machines, so on production is needed. Resources are shared indirectly. uh, System programmer can use their own virtual machine to develop system on virtual machine. Okay, so this is about virtual machine. You can also make 3 to 4 points, short points on virtual machine, or like summary, and just add this diagram in that. This is your brief answer about virtual machine. Very easy. Don't worry. Then also for this views, you can make 4 to 5 points in your own language, or just copy from it, or you can take screenshot of it, make notes on this. And the components is the only very easy topic, not only but very easy topic than those two. Okay, so if you learn something from this video and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos from my channel. Okay, watch other videos from this playlist, OS playlist. Okay, please hit the like button, also share to your friends and subscribe. Thank you so much.